Pranjal Kumari, BCom, second semester, best performer, cultural activities. Next, Anmol, BCA, fourth semester, best sports person, sports. Jasdeep Gill, BCom 4th semester and 5th semester, second and first position, May 2024 and December 2024. Muskan, BCom 4th semester, third position in May 2024.
बस आए के सर सामने थैंक यू
Tanvi, BA 4th semester, departmental star in maths department. Next, Nikita, BA 6th semester, departmental star in Hindi department.
College, Chandigarh, completed in 2002, and PhD in Electrical Engineering from the National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra, awarded in 2015. He has an administrative experience as registrar, as coordinator, Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, UIET, and as NSS Program Coordinator, Punjab University, Chandigarh. His area of research are renewable energy integration, microgrid operation, demand side management, renewable promotion policies and power system optimization. Sir has published around 40 research papers in international journals. He has presented and published 18 papers in the national and 36 papers in international conference proceedings. He has published 3 books having ISBN number and has published 5 chapters in different books.
सुनीत और पावन समारोह के हमारे मुख्य अतिथि प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर YP वर्मा जी, रजिस्ट्रार पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, श्री सनातन धर्म प्रतिनिधि सभा के महामंत्री श्री उपेंद्र शर्मा जी, पूर्व मंत्री पंजाब सरकार, इस महाविद्यालय और सनातन धर्म प्रतिनिधि सभा के महामंत्री और श्री सनातन धर्म शिक्षा समिति के कार्यवाहक प्रधान डॉक्टर गुरदीप शर्मा जी, प्राचार्य डॉक्टर राजीव जी, कार्यकारिणी के अन्य सभी पदाधिकारीगण, बाहर से आए हुए मेहमानगण, विभिन्न विद्यालयों के प्राचार्य बंधु और आज के इस समारोह के मुख्य आकर्षक प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, पुरस्कार वितरण समारोह के 2 आकर्षण होते हैं। एक वो प्रतिभाशाली विद्यार्थी जो अपनी मेहनत के बल पर, अपनी प्रतिभा के बल पर पुरस्कार प्राप्त करते हैं, और दूसरा किसके हाथ से पुरस्कार दिए जाते हैं। आज आप सभी बड़े भाग्यशाली हैं कि एक महान शिक्षाविद, यूनिवर्सिटी के उच्चतर पद को संभाले हुए प्रोफेसर डॉक्टर वाई.पी. वर्मा जी हमारे मध्य विराजमान हैं। मैं श्री सनातन धर्म प्रतिनिधि सभा श्री गोस्वामी गणेश तक सनातन धर्म महाविद्यालय की ओर से आपका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं, स्वागत करता हूं। ये महाविद्यालय उन महान विभूतियों के द्वारा आशीर्वाद प्राप्त किया हुआ है जिनका नाम मात्र भारत में नहीं बल्कि पूरे विश्व में चमकता है। सनातन धर्म प्रतिनिधि सभा पंजाब की स्थापना भारत रत्न महामना पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय जी ने 1923 में लाहौर में की थी, और उनके द्वारा स्थापित बनारस हिंदू यूनिवर्सिटी आज पूरे विश्व में अपना एक नाम रखे हैं। उनके द्वारा हमारे बहुत से महाविद्यालय अनडिवाइडेड पंजाब के लाहौर क्षेत्र और पुराने शहरों में स्थापित किए गए थे, जो विभाजन के बाद वहीं रह गए। कुछ एक विद्यालय और महाविद्यालय जो है विस्थापित होकर हिंदुस्तान में पुनर्स्थापित किए गए। ये महाविद्यालय भी पहले हम इसे हिंदू नेशनल कॉलेज कहते थे, और उसके बाद इसका नाम हमारे संचालक प्रातः स्मरणीय यागमूर्ति गोस्वामी गणेश दत्त जी के नाम से रखा गया। ये सभागार जहां हम लोग बैठे हैं, ये पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय हॉल के नाम से जाना जाता है। ऐसे पुण्य स्थान पर बैठकर मुझे लगता है कि हमारे में एक अलग तरह की फीलिंग आती है जब हम उन पुण्य आत्माओं की जीवनियों को पढ़ते हैं। तो ऐसा लगता है कि आज के युग में हम उन द्वारा किए गए कार्यों का एक अंश भी नहीं कर पा रहे। शिक्षा, धर्म, भाषा के प्रचार प्रसार में जितना उन लोगों ने योगदान दिया, काश कि हम उसको अगर बढ़ा ना पाए तो उसे हम वहां तक तो जरूर उच्च स्तर पर रखना ही होगा। पहले विद्यार्थियों, बहुत अधिक समय ना लेते हुए आप सभी की ओर से भी आज के मुख्य अतिथि का अभिनंदन, अभिवादन, स्वागत करते हुए आप लोगों से मेरा एक निवेदन रहेगा कि आप बड़े भाग्यशाली हैं कि ऐसे महाविद्यालय से आप शिक्षा प्राप्त कर रहे हैं, और बड़े भाग्यशाली हैं कि आपको जो डिग्री मिलेगी वो पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी की। आज के दिन में पूरे विश्व में अगर कुछ गिनी चुनी यूनिवर्सिटीज का नाम लिया जाता है तो उसमें पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी की भी गिनती होती है। मेरा निवेदन ये है कि एक जो प्रथा चल गई है और जिससे हरियाणा, हिमाचल, पंजाब हम जूझ रहे हैं कि हमारे बच्चे बाहर की तरफ भाग रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या दिखाई दे रहा है। एक कहावत है, दूर के ढोल सुहावने होते हैं, और शायद वो सुहावने ढोल ही आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं। आज वर्तमान स्थिति जो है कनाडा की, न्यूजीलैंड की, ऑस्ट्रेलिया की, अमेरिका की, अगर आपको कभी वहां से आए हुए किसी विद्यार्थी से मिलने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हो तो उससे आपको वर्तमान स्थिति पता चल जाएगी। मेरा अनुरोध कि किसी भी देश में डंकी रूट के माध्यम से जाने की कभी भी कोशिश मत करना। अगर कहीं जाना भी है तो अपनी क्षमता से, अपनी प्रतिभा से, अपने गुणों से, अपनी शिक्षा के आधार पर जाओ और वहां पर एक बहुत ही रिस्पेक्टेबल लाइफ जो है वो जिए। आपको याद होगा एक समय वो था कि अमेरिका ने हमारे माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी को वीजा देने से मना कर दिया था, और आज वो दिन है कि उनकी प्रतिभा के आधार पर अमेरिका अपने बहुत से आंतरिक मामलों के लिए जो है वो हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी से सलाह लेता है। आप में इतनी प्रतिभा होनी चाहिए, इतने गुण होने चाहिए, आपकी इतनी शिक्षा होनी चाहिए कि कोई भी देश आपको दोनों हाथों से हाथ खोलकर स्वागत करने के लिए हमेशा तैयार रहे। आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई कि आज आप पुरस्कार प्राप्त करेंगे और इसके साथ ही आपके आगामी जीवन के लिए आपको हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। मैं पहले ही क्षमा मांग लेता हूं कि मुझे समारोह के बीच से ही जाना पड़ेगा बिना किसी को डिस्टर्ब किए, क्योंकि मुझे अम्बाला पहुंचकर एक और मेरी प्री प्लान एंगेजमेंट है, उसके लिए मैं आपसे क्षमा प्रार्थी रहूँगा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, sir, for sharing your kind and golden words and extending gratitude for our chief guest and special guests. Now I request our respected principal, Dr. Rajiv Kumar ji, to present the annual report of our college for the session. Principal Dr. Rajiv Kumar ji.
Good morning everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. Y.P. Verma ji, Registrar Punjab Street Chandigarh, Dr. Deshbandhu ji, President, Shri Sanatan Dharam Pradesh Sabha Punjab and Sanatan Dharam Education Board Chandigarh, Shri Upendra Sharma ji, former Minister Government of Punjab and General Secretary, Shri Sanatan Dharam Pradesh Sabha Punjab, Dr. Gurdeep Sharma ji, General Secretary Shri Sanatan Dharam Pradesh Sabha Punjab and Working President Sanatan Dharam Education Board and General Secretary of this college, Shri Ashok Sharma ji, Member Shri Sanatan Dharam Pradesh Sabha Punjab and Member College Managing Committee, Shri P.C. Sharma ji, Shri B.S. Jaswal ji, Shri Ajay Baki ji and Shri S.P. Joshi ji, and lifetime members from Shri Sanatan Dharam Pradesh Sabha Punjab as well as Gaushala and Sanatan Dharam Education Board, principals of various schools and colleges, parents, press reporters, especially GBC updates and other press reporters from different news agencies, and other dignitaries from the town Haryana, and members of teaching and non-teaching staff, especially students present in the hall. It's with great pride and immense pleasure that I extend my heartiest welcome to all of you and feel grateful for having accepted our invitation and joined the event. Now I am going to present the annual report of our college for the academic session 24-25. This is a moment of celebration and reflection as we have gathered to recognize the achievements of our students and progress of our college. The past year has been marked by significant milestones both in academics as well as extracurricular activities. And in this report, I will take you through the key highlights of the year: our academic achievements, community engagements, research achievements, cultural and sports achievements, and which would not have been possible without the able guidance of our college managing committee. As we look back on this journey, we look forward to future filled with the promises and opportunities, building on the strong foundation laid over the years in this college. The college has been offering BA, BSc Non-Medical, BCom, BCA, PGDCA, MA History and Punjabi, PG Diploma in Marketing Management and Applied Agriculture, and vocational courses BVoc in Banking and Financial Services, BVoc in Hardware and Networking, and Advanced Diploma in Organic Farming. Add-on courses Human Rights and Value Education, and Web Designing and Multimedia. The college has been running skill-based courses, that is certificate course in mushroom cultivation, which is a need of our area, and certificate course in office automation and e-governance, computer science and agriculture as elective subject in BA and BSc also. The academic year 24-25 has brought many accomplishments and also made us to see the gap in some areas where there are definite scope for improvement. So the main highlights for this session 24-25 are: the college organized convocation ceremony for the students of graduation and post-graduation of the college on 19th October 2024. The career guidance counseling and placement cell of the college organized campus recruitment drive in collaboration with Smithry Woods, Hoshiarpur, and our 9 students have been selected for the various jobs in that company. The academic achievements of the faculty: our faculty members, Dr. Anil Kumar, Assistant Professor in Computer Science, Dr. Hemlata, Assistant Professor in Mathematics, have successfully completed their PhD in their respective fields. And to our faculty members, Ms. Puneet Kaur, Assistant Professor in English, and Ms. Sukhvinder Kaur, Assistant Professor in Economics, also pursuing their PhD in their respective subjects. Our faculty members published 8 research papers in UGC care listed journals, Scopus and Web of Index journals during this year. A book with ISBN titled COVID-19, a Boon, Myth or Reality, based on proceeding of the seminar organized by the Department of Agriculture, has been published by the UGC care listed journal during this year. Our faculty member, Professor Rajiv Sharma, also published a book titled Drug Abuse, Problem Management and Prevention, having ISBN. Dr. Phula Rani, Department of Agriculture, has recently completed a research project sanctioned by Department of Alumni Association, Punjab University, Chandigarh. It has been approved as research guide in physics for doing PhD, and one student, Dr. Vinay Sharma, has completed his PhD under my supervision, and one student is also enrolled during this year. I have also been appointed as trained NAAC assessor for assessment and accreditation of the higher institution in India, and also acted as judge for the research projects under the category of basic sciences in the International Convention 24-25 for the International Students Research Convention organized by the Association of Indian Universities at Chandigarh. I have also been member of Academic Council and various committees of University of Punjab, and also members of editorial board of different journals which are indexed in Scopus as well as Web of Science journals. Our faculty member, Dr. Phula Rani, Department of Agriculture, received an award for her outstanding contribution in organizing activities of Red Ribbon Club by the Director of Youth Services Punjab. If I talk about the students at the academic achievements, our student Manjinder Singh, student of BVOC Hardware Networking, secured top position in Punjab University and received gold medal in this class. And also Ritika Bangar, a student of BVOC Banking and Financial Services, also received gold medal from Punjab University, Chandigarh in this year. As well as Mr. Mehtab Singh, a student of BVOC, and Ms. Simranjeet Kaur, MA Punjabi, secured 2nd and 5th position in Punjab University results. In sports, our student Anmol Parmar, student of BCA, 3rd semester, won bronze medal in weightlifting, in taekwondo, in Punjab state level, and Mr. Keshav won gold medal in javelin throw and 110 hurdle race in the title of Kheta Madhya Punjab. our student Pranjal Kumari, student of BCom third semester, won second prize in handwriting competition. And our other students also participated in various activities like extemporary and origami manifold events, creative writing, poem and short stories, competitions and declamation contests organized by the Department of English, Punjab Sri Chandigarh, and with the various colleges of this area, and also won different prizes, in second, third and different prizes. So the list is very long, but I will not mention that knowledge. The college student Kush Guleria, NCC cadet, got honored by group commander for winning the award, Best Drill Award in Army Attachment Camp during this year in the month of January. To enhance the academic knowledge and promote research culture in the college, provide exposure to the new ideas and development in specific fields, various departments organized different activities like extension lectures, guest lectures, workshops in collaboration with various institutions and various agencies. That is NISM Chandigarh, Rich Minds Jalandhar, Jagat Punjabi Sabha, IDP Hoshiarpur, Department of Languages Hoshiarpur, Guru Gobind Singh Study Circle Ludhiana, and many more. Except this, various departments organized PPT competitions, essay writing competition at the department level. Our NSS unit of the college organized 7-day camp in the month of January, which is a routine practice, and Red Ribbon Club organized blood donation camp in collaboration with Blood Bank Jalandhar in the month of March. Eco Club of the college organized various activities under Environment Education Program in collaboration with various departments. The Women's Cell of our college is very active, and they organized Teach Function International Women Week from 5th to 8th March 2025 to sensitize the girl students of the college and society. The cell also organized awareness workshop on drug addiction and its treatment in collaboration with Drug De-Addiction and Rehabilitation Society of Hoshiarpur. And on the occasion of World Mental Health Day, we organized legal awareness program Vidhan Se Samadhan in collaboration with National Commission for Women and National Legal Services Authority Hoshiarpur. Our Legal Literacy Club organized quiz competition dedicated to the 75th anniversary of Indian Constitution and pledge taking ceremony on National Voter Day. Activity by the faculty and students in outreach programs that is organized outside the campus. Faculty from various departments of the college visited different schools, senior secondary school which are nearby in our premises, delivered extension lectures on National Education Policy 2020 with the purpose to raise awareness and provide clarity on the key reforms and objectives of the policy to the students. The students of Physics and Commerce Department visited Century Plywood Industry, Hoshiarpur, to bridge the gap between theoretical as well as practical applications applied in real-world industrial settings. The students of Commerce Department visited Punjab National Bank and helped the customers in filling different data and different forms and other such works to perform the social responsibility of the students. Our 5 NSS volunteers of our college attended 15 days experiential learning program under the guidance of NSS unit Punjab Sri Chandigarh at Police Station Haryana, and they acquired knowledge about various apps which help in identifying the criminals. So it is very appreciable task because our students performed very well at Police Station Haryana. An awareness rally walkathon on World Health and Hygiene was organized by our Women's Cell. Eco Club of the college organized a rally on Say No to Plastic and on raising awareness about the harmful effect of plastic on environment. The Post-Graduate Department of Punjabi organized Human Chain to make people aware about the importance of Punjabi language and Punjabiyat in the Punjab. The celebration of commemorative days, as per the guidelines of Punjab University and Punjab government and UGC, the college observed the commemorative days during this year, which are normally Independence Day, Teachers Day, and so many other special days, which are commemorative days, to honor and remember or raise awareness about importance of days and people, cause and events. While remembering our forefathers, tribute were paid to Bharat Ratna Mahamana Pandit Manu Malviya ji on his 163rd anniversary, Pandit Amarnath Sharma ji on his death anniversary on 17th February, Tyagmurti Goswami Ganeshwar ji on his death anniversary on 10th June, Pandit Mohanlal ji, Dr. Shiv Kumar ji, former president, Shri Sanatan Dharma Pradeshah of Punjab on 29th November. If we talk about the MOU and collaborations with the industry and other institutions, then in pursuit of advancing research in science and technology, the Department of Physics of the college made research collaboration with the Department of Physics, the University of West Indies, Trinidad, West Indies, and to promote the Punjabi language, literature, culture through collaborative activities such as research, cultural exchange, seminars and workshops. Our postgraduate Department of Punjabi signed MOU with the different agencies, that is Jagat Punjabi Sabha Canada, Bhagat Namdev Ji Theatre Society Gurdaspur, Punjabi Vikas Manch Haryana, and Guru Gobind Singh Study Circle Ludhiana. The Department of Commerce signed MOU with Rich Minds Jalandhar to enhance students' practical knowledge and industry exposure. The college is also going to make collaborations by signing MOU with IDP Hoshiarpur and NIIT Foundation NGO in the near future. So our notable alumni, because as we reflect on the achievements of our esteemed alumni, we take great pride in the remarkable diversity of fields in which they have excelled. Our alumni has excelled. Our alumni have distinguished themselves in numerous fields like civil services, education, banking, law, police administration, business, fine arts, public services, and entrepreneurship. Their success serves as a testament to the quality of the college provided by us. Some of our notable alumni are Professor M.M. Puri, former Vice Chancellor, University Chandigarh; Dr. Avinash Rangda, Professor of Chemistry, Sir University, USA; Professor Harvansh Variana, Associate Professor, the University of Sydney, Australia; Shri Munish Kumar, PPS, DSP Vigilance, Hoshiarpur; Ms. Rita Hans, Civil Judge, Judicial Magistrate; Shri Gurpal Singh, IG in Border Security Force, BSF; Arun Thutte and Shri Anil Kumar Naidu, IRSS; and Balveer Singh Thakkar, Shri S.R. Kumar, DGM retired PNB; Shri Harinder Singh, Manager RBI; and Vidyadhar Saini, Professor of Applied Mathematics, University of Saskatoon in Canada; Mr. Harpreet Singh, an officer of commissioner rank in Indian American Navy, and many more. This is very long, but I mention only few alumni members. Recently, in the last year, our 3 students of BA Jaspreet Singh, Mohabbat Dogra have joined Indian Navy, and Dinishika, BSc Non-Medical, has joined Indian Navy. If we talk about the donation and scholarship which is received from our alumni as well as other special guests, Honorable Pandit Brahmashankar Jimpa ji, ex-Cabinet Minister, Government of Punjab, and presently MLA Hoshiarpur, made a generous contribution of rupees 2 lakh for the installation of interlocking tiles in the main passages around the playground. And Professor Avinash Rangda ji, alumnus of our college, contributed a handsome amount of rupees 3,15,000 for establishment of analytical lab in the college that will accessible to the college staff, students and learners from nearby institutions, that is college and schools, for doing research in especially basic sciences. And there are 15 types of scholarships under which nearly 150 students are benefited every year And some of these scholarships are Shri Jashpal Sharma Scholarship, Shri Shuklata Sharma Memorial Scholarship, Pandit Veer Prakash Memorial Scholarship, Professor Dilbag Rai Gandotra Memorial Scholarship, and some other. That is Shri S.R. Kumar, our alumnus, and Shri Ashok Patnaik have donated handsome amount of rupees 1,70,000 during this year and adopted 4 students for 3 years. This is a matter of pride for us. They adopted 4 students for 3 years. So, keeping in all aspects, our future plans are to construct toilet blocks for boys and girls, and to reconstruct basketball court, to start more skill-based courses as per NEP 2020, to explore new scholarships from alumni, philanthropists, and social workers and other local persons, and to start coaching center in the college for various competitive examinations, civil services, banks, IELTS, etc., and to get research projects from different sponsored agencies, that is UGC, DST and other agencies, CSIR, and to start more welfare schemes for teaching and non-teaching staff in the next future. So therefore, as far as higher education is concerned, keeping in view the vision of the college, we take it as our duty and to provide accessible, quality as well as skill-based education to the students, and to provide opportunity for the students to realize their competence, ensuring that learning leads to eternal glory. This is our motto. So let us continue our march and achieve our goal with your help. So thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for highlighting the key achievements and progress made by our college in the past year. Now it is with great pride and immense respect that I invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Y.P. Verma ji, Registrar Punjab University Chandigarh, on the stage to bless us with his golden words. Dr. Y.P. Verma ji, Chief Guest for today's annual prize distribution function.
Most respected Dr. Deshbandhu ji, President ST Pratinithi Sabha, Dr. Pradeep Sharma, General Secretary, Shri Pradeep Sharma ji, General Secretary, and Dr. Rajiv Kumar, Principal of this college. All esteemed members were present in the hall, staff members, faculty, and dear students. Namaskar and Sat Sri Akal to all of you. It's indeed an honor and privilege to be here in your annual prize distribution function today. First and foremost, let me congratulate all of you who are getting awards today for various competitions, for your academic achievements. It is all because of your dedication, your consistency, and your hard work that has brought you to this stage. And we are here not to celebrate the academic and extracurricular achievements and excellence, but it's the spirit of your efforts, your growth and learning that each one of you embodies. Dr. Deshbandhu, we talked about various aspects. I think these are some points which I also would like to highlight. He mentioned about the legacy of Punjab University. We played Punjab University anthem also, where we say that the Shano Shaukat bani rahe. We all feel proud to be associated with Punjab University, but at the same time, if university is not a single unit, the colleges like yours are the extended arms. They are the jewels in that. The name of the university, as was also mentioned by Professor Rajiv Kumar, that Mr. Amay Puri, who was the principal Vice Chancellor of Punjab University, was also the alumnus of this college. So it's a matter of great pride for us that university is, made up by the colleges. So you are our, integrated part of the university. If college flourishes, university name automatically goes up. So the education which we try to provide, I can see the report that Principal Sir has presented. it is not only the certificate that you are going to get. I would like to quote here Vivekanand, that is very important because this is what I keep telling many a time, that education is not a merely a piece of paper. Education is that which prepares you to face the challenges of your life. Education is that which helps you to build your character. Education is that which gives you or develops the confidence of a loin. Education is what that develops the spirit of philanthropy. And education is what helps you to stand on your own feet. And I must compliment all the management members, committee members, led by Dr. Deshbandhu and others, and the principal, Dr. Rajiv Kumar. The kind of activities, the achievements, whatever achievement that he mentioned about this college, etc. So the fact that all these factors which I just mentioned, and Vivekanand mentioned, that what should be comprehensive education, of the purpose of education, I think that is what is being achieved. We would like you to be ready to face the challenges of your life in the future. Another point which I have to mention here, which our C.V. Raman sir, the great, the Nobel laureate, he said that for success, it is that, the courageous devotion to the task in front of you. That means the hard work which I was talking about, the spirit that you had, that is very, very important. You need to devote yourself fully, and at the same time your mind should also be clear that yes, I have the capability to achieve that. Because as you think, so you are. As you continue to think, so shall you remain. So that dominant spirit should be always in your mind. It's not only the effort that matters, it's also the spirit that you have. संस्कृत में एक श्लोक आता है कि उद्यमेनि सिद्ध्यन्ति कार्याणि न मदर्थे न सुप्तस्य सिंहस्य मुखे प्रविशति मुखे यथा, कि बिना एफर्ट के तो शेर के मुंह में भी मृग प्रवेश नहीं कर पाता है, तो बिना मेहनत के तो कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता है. सो एफर्ट्स आर ऑलवेज रिक्वायर्ड. और ये शेर और हिरण की कहानी के बारे में दो बातें और कहूंगा मैं. अफ्रीका की जंगल में बड़ी फेमस ये कहावत है कि अगर हिरण को जिंदा रहना है तो उसको सबसे तेज भागने वाले शेर या चीता से तेज भागना पड़ेगा, तभी जान बचा पाएगा. और अगर शेर या चीता को जिंदा रहना है तो उसको सबसे स्लो जो हिरण है उससे तेज भागना पड़ेगा, तभी सर्वाइव करेगा. दैट मींस सर्वाइवल ऑफ द फिटेस्ट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और इन चीता और जो हिरण की कहानी में एक और इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आती है. आप देखोगे मैक्सिमम टाइम हिरण जीत जाता है, शेर नहीं जीतता है. क्यों? क्योंकि पर्पस इज इंपॉर्टेंट. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट व्हिच आई वांट टू हाईलाइट इज अ पर्पस. शेर या चीते का पर्पस भोजन खाना है. उसे अगर हिरण नहीं मिलेगा तो खरगोश मिल जाएगा. लेकिन हिरण का पर्पस क्या है? लाइफ, जान बचाना. सो इफ यू कीप योर पर्पस हायर, you will put higher efforts and your achievement will also be higher. So always keep that purpose, higher purpose in your mind. You will definitely lead somewhere in a very good positions. The second point which Dr. Deshbandhu talked about, that migration that is taking place. See, today we are talking about a globalized world. Ramji आगे हैं, though he is talking about localized. The reason why he mentioned those countries, it has impacted hugely, though it's not so easy because we are so connected, but it has posed a big challenge. The technology is evolving very fast. Are we able to adapt to those technologies? Second important point which I would like to mention is the adaptability. Change with the time. If you will not change, you will be obsolete. कहते हैं जो पेड़ जो है हवा के रुख के साथ झुकते नहीं है, वो उखड़ जाते हैं. तो आपको देखना है कि आपने चेंज करना है कि नहीं करना है. That relevance is very very important. And in this evolving time, in present time, India is at crossroads where we need to harness our indigenous technologies. Indian knowledge system which we are talking about in NEP 2020 to propel our country into growth of a new era of growth and sustainability. We are the fifth largest economy. We are always close to the third largest economy in time to come. We have a huge population. 65% of the population is youth. But what about the youth? Are they equipped? Are they skilled to take up the jobs? Are they ready to work towards the Viksit Bharat 2047 that we are envisioning? I think these are questions that you need to ask, because by the time the 2047 will come, you will all be in our age. What kind of country you would like to see India? Because as the President has already talked about, forget about US, Canada and all. They are going to welcome everybody over there. So why should we go there? Everyone is looking towards us. Why don't we make our country, attractive? People should come towards us. We are talking about a Vishnu. Let's work towards that. It's not a blame game. What responsibility? Because the day we start talking about the duties first as compared to the rights, the biggest problem that we have in our society today is that we talk about this is our right, ye hona chahiye, but who is going to do that? You should ask that question, and please don't look for somebody else. ये करेगा, यो करेगा. आप अपनी बात कीजिए कि आप क्या करने जा रहे हो. The moment you start doing it, I think everything will fall in line. So that is the important point which I would like to mention here is, please change with the time, keep pace with the AI technology that we have. India is already doing so well as far as IT is concerned, but still we are mostly dependent upon the service sector. We are not in a position like China is doing. You must have heard using GPT, but not see that DeepSeek is already there. They are well advanced in technology. So I think what we need to do is that we need to target that aspect also. Government is doing, but we need to come forward. There are some opportunities given by the government for entrepreneurship and all those things. Let's build that. Let's work towards that, the philanthropy that we're talking about. And that is what is, the duty of a responsible citizen that we have. Another important point which I would like to mention here, there are so many things that I can tell, which I keep telling to the students most of the time, because I have been in teaching for the last 23 years. What makes the big difference in your approach, in your achievement, is the kind of company that you keep. पहले कहते थे कि जिस पर man is known by the company he keeps. It's very, very important. The company, choose your company wisely. Choose your books that you read wisely. Because your company, it affects you. It, changes your thoughts. It builds your thoughts. एक फैमिली जो पंजाब में रहती है, वो कहीं से भी आए हो पंजाबी सीख जाएगी. Why? Because they get the environment. Punjabi family goes to Tamil Nadu, they will learn Tamil because they get the environment. So environment has a huge influence on our thinking, on our approach, and thoughts are very important. मैंने पहले ही कहा कि as you think so you are, as you continue to think so shall you remain. So thought, it changes your belief, and the moment we change your belief, you change your expectations. Your expectations आपकी बढ़ती है, you change your attitude. आपका attitude change होता है, you change your behavior. The moment you change your behavior, you change your performance. And the day you change your performance, your life changes. You start getting those achievements. Now, when I say the thoughts and books, because where you will be in next 5 to 10 years, that all depends upon the kind of books that you read and the kind of company that you keep. Mind is a beautiful garden. मैंने books की बात पढ़ रहा हूँ मैं, अपनी मेरे thoughts नहीं है, कहीं से आए हैं ये. But mind is considered to be a beautiful garden. And that garden, it has, crops and weeds. The crop of good thoughts, weeds of negative thoughts. अगर आप फसल उगाना चाहते हो या पेड़ उगाना चाहते हो एक गार्डन में, तो आपको खरपतवार, weeds निकालने पड़ेंगे, negative thought को निकालना पड़ेगा. Then only it will grow faster. So all depends upon you. So whenever you read, that's what I am saying, the company that you keep and you, in your friends and everywhere, start with the positive thoughts, positive attitude. I think you will find a difference in your life. Your approach will change, and the moment you change your approach, the success will automatically come to you. और जब मैंने आपको कहा पर्पस की बात की थी, छोटी सी स्टोरी, सुक्रत ग्रीक फिलोसफर रहा है, तो स्टूडेंट्स उससे पूछा कि व्हाट इज द सीक्रेट ऑफ सक्सेस. उसने कहा कि कल नदी के पास आ जाना. जब नदी के पास उसको लेके गया, उसको नदी के बीच में लेके गया, उसको डुबो दिया, और कुछ टाइम तक वो जब सांस लेना मुश्किल हो गया, तो he took him out and he said, sir, I have asked you the secret of success and what you try to drown me. And he said, that is what I want to tell you. जब वो पानी में थे, what was your thought? तो कहते थॉट ये थी कि बस बाहर निकलूं और सांस लूं. तो उसने ये चीज कही, that is the secret of success. जिस दिन आपके दिमाग में जैसे जो वही फीलिंग आपकी आएगी अपने लक्ष्य के प्रति, जो फीलिंग आपकी जब पानी में थे हवा के लिए थी, नो अदर थॉट्स, ओनली वन थॉट, आई जस्ट वांट एयर, सिमिलरली नो अदर थॉट, ओनली माय पर्पस, आई थिंक success will come to you, it will reach your feet. So I must compliment you, congratulate you that you have been, you will be awarded today for your achievements, whether it's in academics or extracurricular activities, but you should have a bigger goal in your life. आज सचिन तेंदुलकर की एक और बात बताता हूँ, जब वो मैच जीता था तो he hardly used to celebrate. He used to say, ये जीत गया, let others celebrate, I need to prepare for the next one. तो आपका भी है, yes, this is obviously you should celebrate, but yes, be ready for the next one. Because whatever has happened, it is your past, and you cannot be great just for the nation. Your past was great. Unless you put efforts, keep striving hard every now and then, you will be nowhere. रेस लगी पड़ी है, people are there to go ahead of you. So if you want to really leave your footprints on the set of time, then you should have the gumption to challenge the conventional wisdom, to do something different. कहते हैं कि सूरज जैसा बनना है तो सूरज जैसा तपना होगा, नदियों से इज्जत पानी है तो पर्वत छोड़ नहीं करना होगा, नदियों की तरह निकलोगे रास्ते को, बड़ा पत्थर आता है, लीव इट, अलग रास्ता अपनाइए, and reach the destination that that attains. So there are certain lessons that we learn from our nature also, and you start, if you keep a thought, small thought about that, I think you will feel that you will change your life. So dear students, मेरी आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं आने वाली जो आपके भावी जीवन के लिए। और अब कुछ आप फील्ड में जाएंगे, कुछ अलग पोजीशन में चले जाओगे, कुछ हो सकता है पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी कैंपस में आएंगे, so you are most welcome over there also. But I really feel कि आप जो भी करें पैशन के साथ करें और एक इस फीलिंग के साथ करें कि लेट्स मेक आवर कंट्री ग्रेट। अगर हम उस ऑब्जेक्टिव को लेकर चलेंगे, हम सिर्फ राष्ट्रगीत गाने से या उससे देशभक्ति नहीं होती है। अपनी ड्यूटीज को ऑनेस्टली सिंसियरली करें, because the moment you do it, you will feel the change, you will get that achievement, you will have that, you will feel yourself proud, you will make yourself proud, you will make your family proud, you will make your society proud, ultimately you will make your country and your nation also proud. So my best wishes to all of you, hope you rise to the acumen of success. Or from my side in university, anytime if you have any sort of difficulty, you are most welcome to come to my office. I am there to help you. Best wishes to all of you, and thank you so much for inviting me here.
Thank you, sir, for sharing your inspirational words and words of wisdom with our students. I am sure that your words will surely be applicable in the future of our students, and we also will try to adopt your the things which you have shared with us in our future. So now the moment we were waiting for, the prize distribution ceremony has arrived. So may I now request our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Y.P. Verma ji, Dr. Deshbandhu ji,
और अच्छा चीफ गेस्ट वो होता है जो विद्यार्थियों को कुछ ना कुछ प्रेरणा देके जाए, कुछ ना कुछ सबक सिखा के जाए। आपने कुछ सीखा या नहीं सीखा, मैंने वर्मा जी आपसे आज बहुत कुछ सीखा। सो नाइस, थैंक यू वेरी मच।
honor of our chief guest, Dr. Y.P. Verma ji. and President Shri Sanatan Dharma Pratinithi Sabha Punjab, Dr. Deshbandhu ji.
तो सामने देखना
I extend my heartiest welcome to Shri Mohanlal Pahalwan, Member, Shri Sanatan Dharma Pratinithi Sabha Punjab, Shri Shadilal Anand ji, and press reporters, Haryana.
University topper, roll of honor.
चलो जी आगे शुरू मैं बैठ जाऊंगा ना यार
Next, Manjinder Singh, B.Voc, HWN, University topper and roll of honor.
मरे तो ये तो नहीं करूँगा मरे तो नहीं करूँगा
Simranjeet Kaur, MA Punjabi, second semester and third semester, first in fifth in Punjab University, first position, May 2024 and December 2024. Maninder Kaur, BA, sixth semester, best student and roll of honor. Next, Gurpreet Singh, BCA, sixth semester, best NCC cadet and NCC. Manjot Kaur, BSc, sixth semester, best cadet, best athlete and NCC and sports. Ashish, BA, fourth semester, best volunteer, Red Cross. Sonia, BA, second semester, best volunteer and Red Cross Society. Satyam, BA, second semester, best volunteer, best reader, departmental star, NSS Library, Political Science Department. Sukhdev Singh, BA, second semester, best volunteer, NSS. Pranjal Kumari, BCom, second semester, best performer, cultural activities. Next, Anmol, BCA, fourth semester, best sports person, sports. Arshdeep, BA, fourth semester, best sports person, sports. Rahul, BA, fourth semester, best sports person in sports. Kritik Kapila, BCA, fourth semester, best volunteer, Red Ribbon Club. Gurjot Singh, BCom, 6th semester Best Reader Library Visit. Dilpreet Singh, BSc Agriculture, 8th semester Best Volunteer Eco Club. Jaskaran Singh, BSc Agriculture, 8th semester Best Volunteer Eco Club. Maninder Kaur, BA 6th semester Departmental Star, History Department. Next, Charanjeet Kaur, BA 2nd semester Departmental Star, History Department. Diya, BCA 2nd semester Departmental Star, Computer Science Department. Taranjeet Kaur, BCA 2nd semester Departmental Star, Computer Science Department. Sejal Saini, BA 6th semester Departmental Star, Physical Education Department. Ravinder Saini, BSc 4th semester Departmental Star in Physics Department. Sanjana Rani, BSc 2nd semester Departmental Star in Physics Department. Next, Sujal Jaswal, BSc 6th semester Departmental Star in Chemistry Department. Next, Baljinder Kaur, BSc 2nd semester Departmental Star in Maths Department. Tanvi, BA 4th semester Departmental Star in Maths Department. Next, Nikita, BA 6th semester Departmental Star in Hindi Department. Priya, BA 6th semester Departmental Star in Hindi Department. Next, Harsh Gajpal, BA 4th semester Departmental Star in English Department. Tanveer Kaur, BA 2nd semester Departmental Star in English Department. Manjot Kaur, BA 4th semester Departmental Star, Punjabi Department and Economics Department. Next, Harjot Saini, BA 4th semester Departmental Star in Economics Department. Navpreet Kaur, BSc Agriculture, 8th semester, Departmental Star in Agriculture Department. Next, Jia Devi, BSc Agriculture, 8th semester, Departmental Star in Agriculture Department. Next, Neha, BCom 2nd semester, Departmental Star in Commerce Department. Jaswinder, BCom 2nd semester, Departmental Star in Commerce Department. Manjot Kaur, BA 2nd semester and third semester, first position, May 2024 and December 2024. Amandeep Kaur, BA 2nd semester, second position, May 2024.
बस ठीक है, थैंक यू सर। सामने देखिए इधर।
Arshdeep, BA 2nd semester, third position, May 2024.
सर सामने देखिए इधर।
Next, Maninder Kaur, BA 4th semester and 5th semester, first position, May 2024 and December 2024. Kirandeep Kaur, BA 6th semester, first position, May 2024. Saloni, BA 6th semester, second position, May 2024.
सर सामने देखिए इधर।
Next, Suman Lamba, BA 6th semester, third position, May 2024. Next, Komal, BSc 6th semester, third position, May 2024. Ravinder Saini, BSc 2nd semester and third semester, second position both, May 2024 and December 2024. Next, Gagan, BSc 4th semester and 5th semester, first and second position, May 2024 and December 2024.
थैंक यू सर।
Jasmine, BSc 4th semester and 5th semester, second and first position, May 2024 and December 2024.
थैंक यू सर।
Manjot Kaur, BSc 4th semester, third position, May 2024.
सर इधर सामने देखियो।
Next, Hunar, BSc 6th semester, first position in May 2024. Palvi, BSc 6th semester, second position, May 2024. Anjali, BSc 6th semester, third position, May 2024. Nimarta Kumari, BCom 2nd semester, both first position, May 2024 and December 2024. Harsh Gill, BCom second semester, second position in May 2024. Vishakha, BCom fourth semester and fifth semester, first and second position, May 2024 and December 2024. Jasdeep Gill, BCom fourth semester and fifth semester, second and first position, May 2024 and December 2024. Muskan, BCom fourth semester, third position in May 2024.
बस आ देखिए सर सामने थैंक यू
Next, Jasmeet Kaur, BCom sixth semester, first position in May 2024. Palak, BCom sixth semester, third position in May 2024. Next, Lovepreet Kaur, BCA second and third semester, first positions both May 2024 and December 2024. Next, Neha, BCA second semester, second and third position, May 2024 and December 2024. Kritik Kapila, BCA second semester, third position, May 2024. Next, Binu, BCA fourth semester and fifth semester, first position both, May 2024 and December 2024. Ishita, BCA fourth semester and fifth semester, second position both, May 2024 and December 2024. Next, Simranpreet Kaur, BCA fourth semester, third position, May 2024. Next, Priyanka, MA Punjabi, second semester and third semester, second position, May 2024 and December 2024.
तो सामने देखिए सर
Next, Prabjot, BCA sixth semester, third position, May 2024. Next, Priyanka, MA Punjabi, second and third semester, second position, May 2024 and December 2024.
तो सामने देखिए जी सर तुसी ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਮੜ ਜਾ ਸਰ ਜੀ ਅੱਗੇ ਆ ਜਾਓ ਮੜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਸ
Next, Navpreet Kaur, BSc Agriculture,
Thank you.
sixth semester, first position, May 2024. Next, Jia Devi, BSc Agriculture, sixth semester, second position, May 2024. Dilpreet Kaur, BSc Agriculture, sixth semester, third position, May 2024. Next, Manjinder Singh, BVOC, HWN, 6th semester, first position, May 2024. Mehtab Singh, B.Voc, HWN, 6th semester, second position, May 2024. Next, Supriya Prashar, BA, third semester, second position, December 2024. Neha, BA, fifth semester, second position, December 2024. Rahul, BA, third semester, third position, December 2024. Abhishek, BSc, third semester, third position, December 2024. Sujal Jaswal, BSc, fifth semester, third position, December 2024. Jaskaran Singh, BCA, third semester, second position, December 2024. Next, Sangeeta Rani, BCA, fifth semester, third position in December 2024.
सर सामने देखिए जी।
Now I hand over the stage to Professor Sukhvinder Kaur. Thank you.
ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿਚਕਾਰ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੀ ਐਲੂਮਨੀ ਐਸੋਸੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਮੈਂਬਰ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਅਮਰਦੀਪ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ ਜੀ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ, ਸਰਦਾਰ ਬਰਿੰਦਰ ਨਮਾਣਾ ਜੀ ਸੈਕਟਰੀ, ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਮਲਕੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਵਾਈਸ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ, ਡਾਕਟਰ ਅਰਵਿੰਦਰ ਧੂਤ ਐਡਵਾਈਜ਼ਰ ਐਂਡ ਰਣਜੀਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਐਕਸ ਸਰਵਿਸਮੈਨ ਐਂਡ ਮਿਸਟਰ ਕਮਲ ਜੀ ਆਏ ਨੇ। ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਪਹੁੰਚਣ ਤੇ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਮਿਡ ਸਮੈਸਟਰ ਟੈਸਟ ਦੇ ਆਧਾਰ ਤੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜੋ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਲਈਆਂ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਨਵੀਰ ਕੌਰ, BA ਸੈਕੰਡ ਸੈਮ, ਫਸਟ ਇਨ ਐਗਰੀਗੇਟ ਇਨ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ, ਐਕ, ਹਿਸਟਰੀ, ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਸਾਇੰਸ, ਫਿਜ਼ੀਕਲ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ, IDC ਐਂਡ SEC। ਦਮਨਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੌਰ, BA second sem, second in aggregate in computer science, IDC and BEC। Harmeet Kaur, BA second sem, third in aggregate in Hindi। Manjot Kaur, BA fourth sem, first in aggregate in Punjabi, English, elective Punjabi, economics and math। Amandeep Kaur, BA fourth sem, second in aggregate in Hindi, history and political science। Prabjot Kaur, BA fourth sem, third in aggregate in agriculture। Maninder Kaur, BA sixth sem, first in aggregate in Punjabi, English, History, Economics and Computer Science. Karishma, BS6 SEM, second in aggregate and first in elective Punjabi and political science. Ramandeep Kaur, BA6 SEM, third in aggregate in MSD 2025.
मैम सामने ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਓ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਦੇਖੋ ਜੀ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ
Baljinder Kaur, BSc second SEM, first in aggregate in physics, chemistry and ag. Sanjana, BSc second SEM, second in aggregate in computer science and Punjabi. Sonia Saini, BSc second SEM, third in aggregate.
ਤੇ ਥੋੜਾ ਨਾਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਓ
Komal,
ਬਸ
Komal, BSc fourth SEM, first in aggregate in English, physics, chemistry, math. Ravinder Saini, BSc fourth SEM, second aggregate. Jasmine, BSc sixth SEM, first in aggregate in physics, math and computer science. Sujal Jaswal, BSc sixth SEM, second in aggregate. Jaswinder Kaur, BCom second SEM, first in aggregate in corporate account, microeconomics, English, Punjabi, Sec and Vec. Pranjal Kumari, second in aggregate in business law.
ਗੁੜੀਆ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ
Neha, BCom second SEM, third in aggregate. Nimrata Kumari, BCom fourth SEM, first in aggregate in auditing, cost management. Harsh Gill, BCom second in security analysis, advanced accounting and quantitative techniques. Jasdeep Gill, BCom sixth SEM, first in microeconomics, financial management issues and sectoral aspects of Indian economy. Nancy Vishisht, BCom sixth SEM, second in aggregate in sectoral aspects of Indian economy. Vishakha, BCom sixth SEM, third in aggregate. Preeti, BCA second SEM, first in aggregate in CO and C++. Krishika, BCA second SEM, second in aggregate in English. Taranjit Kaur, BCA second SEM, third in aggregate in MIS and PBI. Lapreet Kaur, BCA fourth SEM, first in aggregate in Punjabi, SBM, Linux and DBMS. Prashant Kumar, BCA fourth SEM, second in aggregate. Kritik Kapla, BCA fourth SEM, third in aggregate. Binu, BCA sixth SEM, first in aggregate in e-commerce, BBNet and CG. Simranpreet Kaur, BCA sixth SEM, second in aggregate. Amarpreet Kaur, BSc Agriculture, 8th Sem, first in Agri, Water Management and Weed Control. Dilpreet Kaur, BSc Agriculture, 8th Sem, second in Plant Pathology. Jia Devi, BSc Agriculture, 8th Sem, third in Aggregate and first in Biofertilizer. Kirandeep Kaur, MA Punjabi, second Sem, first in Aggregate and first in Paper, first and second. Jaswinder Kaur, MA Punjabi, second Sem, second in Aggregate and first in Paper, third and fourth. Simranjeet Kaur, MA Punjabi, fourth Sem, first in Aggregate, first in Paper, first, second, third and fourth. Priyanka, MA Punjabi, fourth Sem, second in Aggregate. Sonia, BA second Sem, first in Elective Punjabi and Economics. Karuna Nidhi, BA second Sem, first in Elective English. Tania Thakur, BCA second Sem, first in AI and BEC. Muskan Saini, BSc second Sem, first in Math. Nikita Sharma, BSc second Sem, first in IDC. Manjot Kaur, BSc sixth Sem, first in Chemistry. Sejal Saini, BS sixth Sem, first in Hindi. Ranjana, BA sixth Sem, first in Physical Education. Ranjit Kaur, BA sixth Sem, first in Agriculture. Tandeep Kaur, Dance, BCom second Sem, first in Human Resource Management. Muskan,
हेलो हेलो
Muskan, BCom sixth Sem, first in SBE. Tanvi, BA fourth Sem, first in Elective English. Arshdeep, BA fourth Sem, first in Physical Education. Kajal, BA fourth Sem, first in Computer Science. Kajal, BA fourth Sem, first in Computer Science. Ten plus one plus two ਦੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ Ritesh, plus two Science, first position.
सामने देखियो जी
Pushkar Prashar, 10 plus 2 Science. Aditya, 10 plus 2 Science, third position. Aditya, 10 plus 2 Science, third position. Nancy, 10 plus 2 Science, third position. Prashant Kumar, 10 plus 2 Commerce, first position. Ashish, 10 plus 2 commerce, second position. Karmveer Singh, 10 plus 1 science, first position. डॉक्टर शुचि शर्मा जी ने रिक्वेस्ट है कि वो भी स्टेज के ऊपर आ जाए। इंचार्ज GGVST सीनियर सेकेंडरी स्कूल डॉक्टर शुचि शर्मा जी। पारस 10 plus 1 साइंस सेकंड।
सर सामने देखो मैम, सामने देखना।
राजवीर 10 plus 1 साइंस थर्ड पोजीशन। राजवीर सिंह 10 plus 1 साइंस थर्ड पोजीशन। सिया कपिला 10 plus 1 साइंस थर्ड पोजीशन। विवेक वशिष्ठ +1 कॉमर्स फर्स्ट पोजीशन।
मैम सामने देखो, सब सामने देखो इधर।
बनप्रीत सिंह +1 कॉमर्स सेकंड पोजीशन। करमन सिंह +1 कॉमर्स थर्ड पोजीशन। श्वेता PGDCA सेकंड सेम सेकंड पोजीशन इन 2024 एग्जाम। केशव BCom थर्ड सेम थर्ड पोजीशन इन दिसंबर 2024। थैंक यू सो मच सर। ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਮੈਂ ਅਗਲੀ ਕਾਰਵਾਈ ਲਈ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਸੱਦਾ ਦੇਣੀ ਆ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰ ਪ੍ਰੀਤ ਕੌਰ ਜੀ ਨੂੰ।
Next, honor of Dr. Gurdeep Sharma ji, General Secretary Shri Sanatan Dharma Pratinithi Sabha Punjab and College Managing Committee, Dr. Gurdeep Sharma ji. Honor of Dr. Gurdeep Sharma ji, General Secretary Shri Sanatan Dharma Pratinithi Sabha Punjab, New Delhi. Shri Pardeep Saini ji, honor of Shri Pardeep Saini ji. Next, honor of Shri Ashok Sharma ji. Honor of Shri Ashok Sharma ji, Member श्री सनातन धर्म प्रतिनिधि सभा पंजाब एंड कॉलेज मैनेजिंग कमेटी, श्री अशोक शर्मा जी,
थोड़ा होना तो
श्री B.S. जसवाल जी from Century Plyboards, Dolowal, Hoshiarpur. Honor of Shri B.S. Jaswal ji, Century Plyboards, Dolowal, Hoshiarpur. Shri Ajay Baghi ji. Honor of Shri Ajay Baghi ji. Next, honor of Shri P.C. Sharma ji. Honor of Shri P.C. Sharma ji. Next, honor of Shri S.P. Joshi ji. Honor of Shri S.P. Joshi ji. Honor of Shri S.P. Joshi ji. Next, honor of Shri Sanjay Kapila ji.
नाल हो जाओ मड़े
Honor of Shri Sanjay Kapila ji. Shri Sanjay Kapila ji. Next, honor of Miss Anita Sharma ji. Honor of Mrs. Anita Sharma ji.
हो गई दादी
Honor of Mrs. Anita Sharma ji. Next, honor of members of Alumni Association. Principal Amandeep Singh, President. Sardar Vrinder Singh Nimana ji, Secretary. Malkeet Singh Basi, Vice President. Dr. Arvind Toot, Advisor. Sardar Ranjit Singh ji, ex-Sarpanch. Mr. Kamal from Punjabi Jagran. Honor of members of Alumni Association. Principal Amandeep Singh, President. Sardar Vrinder Singh Nimana ji, Secretary. Sardar Malkeet Singh Basi, Vice President. Dr. Arvind Toot, Advisor. Sardar Ranjit Singh ji, ex-Sarpanch. Mr. Kamal from Punjabi Jagran. They are members of Alumni Association.
तो सामने देखे बारे में
Honor of Shri Ajay Sharma ji. Next, honor of Shri Sanjeev Kapila ji.
तो सामने देखे उधर
Next, honor of Shri Ajay Kapila ji and honor of Shri Sanjeev Kapila ji.
यू सर।
Now I invite Shri Upender Sharma ji to extend his gratitude for the chief guest
सामने
and
इधर।
other special guests on the occasion. Shri Upender Sharma ji.
ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਇਸ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਜ਼ ਡਿਸਟ੍ਰੀਬਿਊਸ਼ਨ ਫੰਕਸ਼ਨ ਅਸੈਂਬਲੀ ਦੇ ਮੁੱਖ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਵਰਮਾ ਜੀ, ਰਜਿਸਟਰਾਰ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਿਟੀ, ਸਾਡੇ ਹੋਰ ਅਤਿਥੀਗਣ, ਆਨਰੇਬਲ ਮੈਂਬਰਸ, ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ, ਸਕੂਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਫੈਸਰਸ, ਸਤਿਕਾਰਯੋਗ ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਸ਼ਾਨ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀ, ਮੈਂ ਕਾਲਜ ਮੈਨੇਜਮੈਂਟ ਦੀ ਤਰਫੋਂ ਵਰਮਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬੜਾ ਰਣੀ ਹੈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ। You have graced the occasion and come right from Chandigarh, and such a academician registrar is very rare. Mostly we are bureaucrats to rise, और इन्हें qualified आदमी रजिस्ट्रार हुए तो यूनिवर्सिटी की शान है। सो ਤੁਹਾਡਾ बड़ा धन्यवाद है, and all the dignitaries from Hoshiarpur and Haryana who are gracing the occasion. मैं शायद ना ले सका क्योंकि मेरे को लिस्ट है। प्रिंसिपल, टीचर्स के प्यारे विद्यार्थियों, ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਸਟੇਜ ਤੇ ਨੂੰ ਸ਼ੋਭਿਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਤੇ ਵਰਮਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਤੋਂ, ਗੁਰਦੀਪ ਜੀ ਤੋਂ, ਦੇਸ਼ ਬੰਧੂ ਜੀ ਤੋਂ ਸਨਮਾਨਿਤ ਹੋਏ। ਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਬੜੀ ਜ਼ਰੂਰੀ ਹੈ, ਡੋਂਟ ਥਿੰਕ ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ the end you have achieved. Think of rising further, ਕਿਸੇ ਮੁਕਾਮ ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚਣਾ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਕੱਲ੍ਹ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਨਾਮ ਵੰਡੋ। And this college feels proud. This college feels honored. ਅੱਜ ਇੱਥੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਐਸੇ ਸੱਜਣ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਐਲੂਮਨਾਈ ਹੈ, ਇੱਥੋਂ ਦੇ ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟ ਪੜ੍ਹਦਿਆਂ ਕੁਛ ਨਾਵਾਂ ਦਾ ਜ਼ਿਕਰ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ। ਕਾਲਜ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਾਮ ਵੱਧਦਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਸ਼ਖਸੀਅਤਾਂ ਦਾ ਵੀ ਨਾਮ ਵੱਧਦਾ, ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੜ੍ਹਨ ਵਾਲੇ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਇਨਕਰੇਜ ਹੁੰਦੇ। They are encouraged that we must reach some destination. So ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਇੱਕ ਲਕਸ਼ ਨਿਰਧਾਰਿਤ ਕਰੋ। ਸਿਰਫ ਇਹ ਇਨਾਮ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇੱਦਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਨਾਮ these will follow you. ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਮੁਕਾਮ ਤੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੋਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਕਰੂਗਾ ਵੀ ਆ ਕੇ ਇਨਾਮ बढ़िया ਕਰੋ, and you will encourage the others. So wish you all good luck. ਵਰਮਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦਾ, dignitaries ਦਾ, श्री गुरदीप शर्मा जी का, प्रिंसीपल साहब का, जिन्होंने सानू सारिਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਇੱਥੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਕੋਈ ਬੀਬਾ ਬੈਠੀ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਸਨਮਾਨ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਨੀਤਾ ਸ਼ਰਮਾ। Am I right? ਕੋਈ ਨਾ ਗਲਤ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ? So thank you very much all. Wish you all good luck and prosperity in life. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.